All right. These are some Schindler elevators here. I guess some go to 10 through 12, but not all. All right. Hopefully there's not a desk out there.
Etasje 12.
All right, back down.
Etasje 1.
It skips floors 2 and 3 because those are the mall levels. West Tech. That's actually an HID I-class reader, but it's labeled as West Tech. 1,500 kilograms, and it's from 2013. All right. Anyway, that will be it.